Vacuum consolidation, vacuum preloading, is a soft soil improvement method. Construction enterprise, Sunzo Foundation Engineering Co., Limited. First, level the site, clean the construction site. Remove debris and ensure the ground is flat. The PVD rigs equipment are brought in. The location of the drainage board is determined. Prefabricated vertical drains, PVDs, installation. Vacuum consolidation (MVC) involves the installation of both vertical and horizontal vacuum transmission pipes and peripheral trenches. An airtight impervious membrane is then installed on the ground, surfaced and sealed in the peripheral trenches. Vacuum pumps are then connected to the system to remove the air below the membrane. This results in the creation of a vacuum under this membrane. The difference of pressure at the membrane interface creates a gradient, resulting in the application of a pressure almost equivalent to the atmos. Pheric pressure on the ground below the membrane. This loading process creates an isotropic state of stress in the soils under the membrane, accelerating the consolidation in the soil mass in a very short time.